Hi there, welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video we will look at the PV or the present value function that returns the present value of the investment, and the output that it gives is in the money format. So it has some parameters like the rate, which is the interest rate per period, and per is basically the number of payment periods in an annuity. PMT is the payment made each period. FV is the future value, and the type indicates if the payment are due at the end of the period, then you will specify 0, and if it is due at the beginning of period, then 1, and if nothing is mentioned, then 0 will be assumed. So to demonstrate this, what do I have is a simple question. So if I take in text or image, alright, I'll just paste the question and I will increase the size as well to large. So what is the present value of debt when you have to pay $100 at the end of each month during a 5-year period given an interest rate of 7%? So what do we need is the present value of the debt. So for that, what I'll do is create a KPI to calculate this, add the measure, and in that I will add PV. So we need so this was the rate of interest was 0.7% annual, so 0.07 divided by 12 we need monthly. Then the time period, which was 5, and it is in years, so I will multiply it by 12 to put it in a monthly. And we had the $100 that we have to pay at the end of the each month, so 100 but in negative because we want a present value. And then for the future value I will say 0 and 0 to indicate that the payments are due at the end of the period. So if I click on apply, what it gives me is basically the 5050. So that is our present value of debt. The 5050 is the present value of debt based on these parameters that we have given. So that's how you can calculate the present value for any of your financial instruments or within the financial analytics dashboard. If you want to calculate this present value and put it in the chart or in the table or as a KPI as part of the dashboard. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.